it's Jamilla here, and I hope you're having a wonderful day today. So for today's video, I'm working on a dresser DIY makeover. I'm really excited because I'm trying something new, which is installing wallpaper to the cabinets of the dresser. I picked up this wallpaper from Home Depot, and it has this beautiful geometric pattern. It's definitely going to give the dresser some texture and character, which I'm really excited about. I've had this dresser for a really long time. It's been in my family for like 15 years, so the hardware is breaking apart, so we're going to be changing that out, and I'm excited to take you guys through the process. But first we're gonna go to Home Depot to get some supplies, so let's get started. So this is the wallpaper I picked up. It's called Paintable Solutions, and it's super cool because you can paint over it once it's attached. Here is the dresser. It is really beaten up, as you can see. Some of the hardware have snapped and broke off, and the paint is chipping really bad. So this is what we're working with. And for the hardware, I found this really pretty brass pole from Home Depot, and I got 12 of these. First step is taking off the hardware. To prep the dresser for paint, I'm just going to be sanding it down with my electric sander. And since there are some extra drill holes in the dresser that I don't need anymore, I'm just going to be filling that in with some wood putty. Okay, so now I'm going to be cutting the paper so that it is the width and length of the cabinet. Just gonna flip it over. I've finally completed cutting all of these pieces, and that was actually really difficult because I wanted the pattern to go in the right way so that they were aligned. Now we have them all together, and we're gonna attach it to the dresser. And for the putty, I'm just gonna sand it down a little bit so that it's smoother, and then we're gonna attach it. To install the wallpaper, it's actually super simple, so all you need to do is just dip it in some water, make sure it's soaked from all sides, and then attach it. So now I'm just smoothing out all of the air bubbles and making sure it's smooth. For the paint, I went with Polar Bear by Bear, a paint and primer combo, so I'm just doing the first coat here. Okay, so it is the next day, and last night I painted the first coat on the dresser. I painted the entire thing, including the wallpaper, and I think I'm gonna do a second coat on just the outer layer. Here's the dresser. It is fully painted. I did about 2 coats and added a finish. It's looking so good. So the only thing left we need to do is add the hardware. Now that the dresser is all done and it's finished, now I want to style the top of the dresser, and I thought it would be fun to show you that process. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I want to start with is this beautiful mirror I got from World Market. Okay, and I'm borrowing this from the living room, but I wanted to show you guys just how trays is really helpful for dressers to make things look a little bit more organized and put together. So that's gonna go there. And to kind of balance it out, I'm going to stack some books over here. Absolutely love decorating with books. These ones are really cool because they're all about design and art. I also found this bust from Ross for $15. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I absolutely love the outcome of this dresser. I think adding the wallpaper to the cabinets is such a cool technique, and it really adds some dimension and character to the piece. So make sure to comment down below what you think. I'm really curious to hear your thoughts. And be sure to follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to up my game there. And if you want to see some sneak peeks, follow me there. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!